Hi guys, my name is Mr. Holali and you can visit me on www.holalisengineering.com to know much more about my company. Today we are going to study about current and voltage. Current refers to the free flow of electrons through a conductor. Voltage is the pressure exerted on the electrons to flow through the conductor. Now, when calculating current, you will have to equate current, which is I, to the voltage represented by V over the resistance represented by R, whereby the resistance refers to the opposition of the free flow of electric current, because without the resistance in a circuit, the circuit may end up exploding whenever there is overflow of electric current, and it will end up damaging your appliances, your device, or whatsoever. Yeah, resistor is very important in our circuit because this device protects us from fire outbreak due to damage to our appliances. This is what I have for you. You can subscribe now for more videos. Thank you.